Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be the video of the cat prints with all of my new 3D press-on stands. And I've been talking about this for a while, but now it's time for the video. Here's the information for the cat prints. I definitely recommend checking them out if you like anything that you see in this video. The website is here, and you can definitely check them out on Instagram as well at the cat prints. So yeah, I think that the idea of this company is so awesome. And if you're looking for anything specific and you don't have you have something in mind, you don't see it, you can definitely send him a DM on Instagram or an email as well. Here are my custom stands that I had made. I messaged him and I said, is there any chance you can do something with the beach, dragons, flames, holographic, glow in the dark? And he said, don't even have to say anything else. Look at that base. It is a holographic circles. Um, it's like a mold or like a print he puts on the 3D printer. And I thought that was super cool. And the black glows, like the black for the dragon glows. But they're also different. So you have a different amount. So you can kind of like a different amount of like dragons, the flames and stuff like that. But then I also ordered a single stand because I like to do like nail art and I wanted something easier to hold and I just wanted a single stand. And he gave me the same theme with it. And also, as you can see, the little green specks on the filament that the dragon is made with and that the black bases are made out of, they glow in the dark. I think I show it here. Yeah, you can kind of see it here that they glow in the dark. I was like obsessed with that. I just had to show you the glow in the dark part. Like, isn't that cool? Doesn't it look like it looks almost like slime or the outside sky? Like if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you look up, obviously the stars are not going to be green, but I love that the filament glows in the dark. I love that aspect. I love glow in the dark things. I'm a child at heart. But this matches my two handstand, and I love having the one handstand. I just feel like it's so convenient. And I really love that he kind of put all my stuff together with the waves and the dragons and the flames. I am obsessed with the beach, with fire, and with dragons. I don't know what it is, but I'm obsessed with that. As you'll see with my next stand that I'm going to show you soon. So I'm going to kind of just go through everything that I got. I wanted to get the new press-on stands because I've had some other 3D printed ones that I had been using, but I just wasn't really liking the way that they were when I was holding them and all of that. So I wanted to try these new ones out and I decided to go with these. They were more customizable and all that. There's 3 different height options. And then you can also get this additional option, which is to add on non-magnetic stands. Now they'll still fit into your stand, but if you're one that likes to work with a lot of cat eyes, you may have a problem with the magnet on the bottom of the snail stand pulling the magnet in a different direction than you want. So the magnet is going to pull the cat eye or push the cat eye in that direction, and it will go downwards versus pulling it upwards to the surface where you would want it. And then also, I do like that he made the non-magnetic dragons a different color so that I would be able to know which one is which. And as you see, they sit inside the stand really well, so I don't have any issues with them falling out or anything. So I do like that that is an option. It's a $5 add-on. Now, I'm not sure if he's going to add on just the bases, so you can order the bases to put the non-magnetic stands in or anything like that. But I think I'm probably going to send him a message and ask if I can just buy the base. But either way, the cat eye option is a $5 add-on to the initial price of the stand. One stand with 2 hands is $25, I think. Yeah, one set of stands is $25. All right. This is so awesome. This is like made for markets and stuff like that. This is like a press-on nail holder. But did you see that hollow on there? That hollow is amazing. And I really like that it is flat. This is a smaller version. There is a bigger one that I do plan on getting, but this is just a smaller one I wanted to start out with. It has a magnetic closure. And then what I'm going to do with it is instead of using this board that my husband just made me really quick to put all my nails on, I'm going to put the nails that I had painted last year in there and leave that as like a display. So as like a reminder of when I paint something, I can just put it in there. Or if you're a press-on artist, you can use it to hold your sets while you're working on them. If you go to markets with your press-on nails, or you just like to store them personally, you can just put them in there as well. So I like it as an awesome storage option. It also does come with a stand, but he did not put the stand in this particular order. I'm waiting on it in the mail. He accidentally left it out, and he said he would get it in the mail as soon as he could. His business is blown up very fast, so it is coming in the mail. But if you go to the website, you can see what the stand is. It does hold the stands up, or the boards up, so you can use them at market like that. So yeah, I'll show you as soon as I get it. I'll do like a short of it or something. All right, so this is my one that I ordered with the flames. I liked the crimson, I liked the orange, and then I got the glow in the dark bases as well. Like I said, I love glow in the dark, and it also gives my stands some kind of cohesion, I guess. I am obsessed with flames. I love a good bonfire. I love a good fire. I'm always down for a good bonfire. I love going to them. I like eating my food cooked over fire, or like a wood fire. That's just something that I enjoy. So I was like, okay, fire is mesmerizing. We're about to come up on fall. So this is the stand I'm going to use for the fall, really all year round, but I really liked the fire. And the stands are completely customizable as well. The other one that I got with the dragons and stuff, it was like an artist choice. You just give him something to go off of, and he'll just make whatever. And it'll be a surprise when you get it, because he doesn't show you until you get it. But I also wanted to let you know go back to the three stand heights. There's a 31 millimeter, 35 millimeter, and I think there's another size. I'll have to put it on the screen, or you can check out the website. But there's different stand heights if you want something shorter or something taller. There's many different options on the website. You just have to go take a peek for yourself. Now, there is this section that he created. It's called If You Know, You Know. And if you already know who this is, leave it in the comments. Pause the video and go leave it in the comment section. If you know who this is already. But once I saw this, I absolutely had to have it. So the thing is, with the If You Know section, he will make a set amount of stands in this design, and once they're sold out, they're sold out. I do know that he has some stands from the movie Wicked. He has these stands. Kirby. If y'all played Kirby growing up, or Super Smash Brothers, and you played Kirby, like, y'all know what this is. I had to get this Kirby as soon as I saw it. So now all of these are going to be the same. There are 10 Kirby stands to go with the theme. But there are different stands if you go look at the If You Know section. Now, the ones that I said that are there may be gone already, because he makes a set amount, and once they're gone, they're gone. I think these are the same price as well. They're just not customizable. They just are what they are. So I thought that was really, really fun. And I love Kirby. Whenever I was playing Super Smash Brothers, I would always be Kirby, or I was playing Kirby's World, I would always just enjoy that when I was a kid. So I had to get this one. And now I have to do a Kirby nail set with it. But yeah, these are the 3 new nail stands that I got. They are really, really good quality. They are 3D printed. I have actually spilled chrome on them. I have spilled gel on them, and everything wipes off relatively easy. I don't use these to do anything with dip powder or anything like that. I'll use my cheap Amazon stands for that, but I have been enjoying them so far. And like the stand I'll use for dip powder, but I really wanted to get away from those stands. I'm really liking these new stands, and I do plan on grabbing a couple more so that I can just have them when I get in the mood to use them. And like I was saying, this was the stand I had previously, and I just wasn't really a fan of it anymore. It was kind of hurting my hand the way I had to hold it and whatnot, but I have moved on to trying out these stands, and I really love them. They fit even the smallest pinky nail. So yeah, if you're in the market for some new stands, definitely check out the cat prints. There are so many options. Everything is customizable. There may be a code still. It will be on the bottom of the screen for this whole video for you. It's Cat Friends, but I don't know if it's still valid. I used it at that time, but he's always running a really awesome sale. There's always like some for a good cause on there. So definitely worth checking out. They're really high quality. He ships really fast. He's really nice. And yeah, it's pretty much my go-to lately. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys check something out. I just can't get over this holographic. Now you can get holographic glow in the dark. There's so many color options, shape options. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next video.